Hello, all. Myself Vijesh. Uh, I'm from Qatar currently. I have a project in India. I just launched last 22nd of September, which is going on in India. But no one know actually about my projects. From my project, I'm planning to remove some struggles which our country is facing. Unemployment, price rise, and exploitation. These three things I'm going to remove from my country with my projects. So when I'm saying this, everyone will laugh because it is not at all possible from everyone thinking. Am I right? Of course, it is like that, everyone thinking about these three things. But I'm saying this is possible. I'm not going to do any magic with my projects. It's a public oriented projects. If you are having time to visit my website, which is www.rikfi.com, please spend some time with my website. Try to read what I am going to do, what are the things, what are the features available in my websites, what is the mission about us. So if you have time, try to spend some times on my website. Then definitely you will realize I'm not going to do anything with magic. Of course, it's a public oriented project. I'm going to work with you. You know what I'm saying? My project is for you, with you. I request to support my project and my mission. Thank you all.